ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ गीताध्यानश्लोकाः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं
व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम्
अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं
भगवतीम्
भगवतीम्
अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्धामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानत्रये कृष्णाय गीतामृतमहम् वसुदेवसुतं देवम् कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दम् कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रुतजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः वचः सरोजममलम् नाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानम् मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजम् कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे
मूर्खं करोति
वाचालम् पङ्गुम् लङ्घयते गिरिम् यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् शान्ताकारम् भुजगशयनम् पद्मनाभम् सुरेशम् विश्वाधारम् गगनसदृशम् मेघवर्णम् शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तम् कमलनयनम् योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुम् भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम् यम् ब्रह्मा
वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतस्तुन्वन्ति
वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यम् सामकम् ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतिः मनसा पश्यन्ति यम् योगिनः यस्यान्तम् न विदुः सुरासुरगणा तस्मै नमः नारायणम् नमस्कृत्य नरम् चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीम् सरस्वतीम् व्यासम् ततो जयमुदीरयेत् सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय कृष्णाय क्लिष्टकारिणे नमो वेदान्तवेद्याय गुरवे बुद्धिसाक्षिणे सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनम्
आर्थो वत्सः
सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धम् गीतामृतम् महत् गीतमिदम् पुण्यम् यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकादिवर्जिता एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एकस्तस्य नामानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा ॐ श्रीकृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः
Yesterday's in the last discussion, we stopped at the shloka. Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarvabhutashayasthitah Aham
अहमादिश्च मध्यं च भूतानाम् अन्त एव च
सर्वप्रथम उक्तवान् अहमात्मा इति यदि भवान् माम् आत्मत्वेन सर्वभूतस्थत्वेन यदि ध्यानं कर्तुम् अशक्तः जातः चेत् तर्हि एवं जानातु अहम् आदिः तेषां जननं मध्यमः मध्यम् इत्युक्ते तेषां
सस्टेनेन्स्
वृद्धिः एवं च तेषाम्
अन्तः
अन्तश्च इति उक्तवान् एवं रीत्या मां ध्यानं कुरु मध्याह्नं कुरु इति कृत्वा तदनन्तरं वदति कृष्णः
आदित्यानामहं विष्णुः
आदित्यानामहं विष्णुः
ज्योतिषां रविरंशुमान्
ज्योतिषां रविरंशुमान्
मरीचिर्मरुतामस्मि
मरीचिर्मरुतामस्मि
नक्षत्राणामहं शशि
नक्षत्राणामहं शशि. He is listing the best out of many things. Adityanam Vishnu, out of the Dwadash Adityas, I am the Vishnu Namaka Aditya. Then Jyotishanam Ravi Ramshuman, Ravihi Amshuman.
अंशुमान रविः out of all the celestial heavenly bodies I am the shining sun
Amshuman इत्युक्ते shining इति वा?
अंशुः इत्युक्ते रेस् यस्य अंशुः अस्ति सः अंशुमान्
रविः अंशुः
अत एव शीतांशुः इति श्रुतं खलु शीतांशु is हिमांशु अंशु is rays which are cold rays is called himanshu which is chandra
मरुतामस्मि मरुतामस्मि I am the Maruta out of Marichis. Marichis इत्युक्ते वायवः.
मरुतः एव वायवः मरीचिः नाम कः मरुतस्मि इति मरीचिः मरुतां मरीचिः अस्मि
There are in the Marudgana there are 44.
केचित् वदन्ति 40 इति केचित् 49 केचित् 51 एवमस्ति अहं न सम्यक्तया न जाने
तदनन्तरं नक्षत्राणाम् अहं शशि अहं चन्द्रः नक्षत्राणां चन्द्रः नक्षत्रः वा चन्द्रः नास्ति खलु नक्षत्राणां मध्ये चन्द्रः श्रेष्ठः यदा रात्रौ तथा अहं शशि अस्तु तदेव वदति
नेक्स्ट्
आदित्यानां द्वादशानां विष्णुः नाम आदित्यः अहं ज्योतिषाणां रविः प्रकाशयितॄणां oh nobody has joined stay in call all right let's continue that's right अंशुमान् रश्मिमान् इति अंशुमान् इत्युक्ते रश्मिमान् यस्य रश्मिः अस्ति सः रश्मिमान् मरीचिः नाम मरुतां मरुद्देवताभेदानां देवताभेदानां
all the different categories of dev
अस्मि मरीचिः इति नामक मरुतामस्मि एवञ्च नक्षत्राणाम् अहं शशी चन्द्रमाः इति वदति नेक्स्ट् तदनन्तरं वदति कृष्णः
It's a very simple,
एवम् इत्युक्ते
same template.
इत्युक्ते यत्र कुत्रापि भवान्
Hmm.
तिष्ठति तत्र अहमस्मि इति ज्ञापनमेव।
Hmm.
वेदानां
वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि
वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि
देवानामस्मि वासवः
देवानामस्मि वासवः
इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि
इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि
भूतानामस्मि चेतना.
भूतानामस्मि चेतना। कृतम्। वेदानां सामवेदः अहमस्मि। I am the Samaveda out of all the four Vedas.
Hmm.
देवानाम् अस्मि वासवः वासवः
इन्द्रः इति
इन्द्रः वा
वसूनां नायकः वासवः इति अष्टवसूनाम् अष्टदिक्पालकानां यः नायकः सः इन्द्रः वासवः.
देवतानां वासवः अस्मि इन्द्रः अस्मि इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि इन्द्रियाणां श्रेष्ठः मनस् तद् अहमेव अस्मि भूतानाम् अस्मि चेतना भूतानां यत् चित् अस्ति तदेव अहम् उक्तवान्। चित् इत्युक्ते किम् अर्थः दीयते वेदानां मध्ये सामवेदः अस्मि देवानां रुद्रादित्यादीनां वासवः इत्युक्ते इन्द्रः अस्मि इन्द्रियाणाम् एकादशानाम् इन्द्रियाणां चक्षुरादीनां मनः अस्मि शकल्पविकल्प सङ्कल्प सङ्कल्पविकल्पात्मकं मनः तादृशं मनः अहमेव अस्मि भूतानाम् अस्मि चेतना कार्यकरणसङ्घाते नित्याभिव्यक्ता बुद्धिवृत्ति बुद्धिवृत्तिः चेतना नित्याभिव्यक्ता नित्य अभिव्यक्ता बुद्धिवृत्तिः चेतना
The living principle in all actions, which is manifest at all times.
इति वा
Karyakarana sanghate in all phenomena and of all indriya karana, antakarana and bahikarana sanghate in the collection of those. Nitya abhivyakta, that principle which is ever manifest.
What principle? Where are you getting the word principle?
No, I mean using English translate. Nitya abhivyakta buddhi, what is it? Buddhi vritti, they say.
Buddhi vritti.
The thought which is the thought of awakeness, of awareness.
Buddhi vritti. Oh,
which is there in all.
The awareness, the awakeness.
Mm.
Tadeva ahamasmi. Vedanam Samavedaha. Okay, let's quickly read the translation as well for the last one. And I am certainly the intelligence. It is the medium for manifestation of consciousness. Oh, I am the mind, that is the nature of reflection and doubt. And I am the
Chetana.
Chetana, intelligence. The function of intellect must manifest in the aggregate of body and organs.
Bhutana.
Bhutana. Tadanantaram bhavati.
रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि
रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि
वित्तेषो यक्षरक्षसाम्
वित्तेषो यक्षरक्षसाम्
वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि
वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि
मेरुशिखरिणामहम्
मेरुशिखरिणामहं मेरुः शिखरिणां सर्वाणां पर्वतानाम् अहं मेरुपर्वतः वसूनां पावकः इति एकः वसुः सः अहमस्मि रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि रुद्राः 11 रुद्राः तेषां शङ्करः प्रमुखः सः अहमेव अस्मि वित्तेषः यक्षरक्षसां वित्तेषः इति एकः यक्षो वा राक्षसः
कुबेरः
कुबेरः वा
वित्तेषः
कुबेरः यक्षराक्षसाम् अहं कुबेरः परन्तु कुबेरस्तु यक्षः खलु राक्षसः न
Rakshas iti. Raksha is different, Rakshas is different. Rakshas are the spirits which govern, like the Kantara, we saw that, right?
Rakshanam kurvantu.
So they are the protectors of the land. So they are Rakshas.
Parantu Valmiki Maharshi uses Rakshasa and Rakshasa
interchangeably.
यः रक्षणं करोति सः एव राक्षसः इति श्रुतं मया तेषां कार्यः किमासीत् इत्युक्ते आपस्य रक्षणं करणं रक्षण कार्यम् आसीत् पूर्वं तेषु अस्तु वदति रुद्राणामेकादशानां शङ्करः वित्तेशः कुबेरः यक्षरक्षसां यक्षाणां रक्षसां च वसूनाम् अष्टानां पावकश्च अस्मि अग्निः इति ओ पावकः इत्युक्ते अग्निः मेरुः शिखरिणां शिखरवतानाम् अहम् इत्युक्तवान् अनन्तरं वदति
So by this, it must be very clear. He said Adityanam Vishnu, Rudranam Shankara. So Rudra equals, I mean, Vishnu equals Shankara. Should have been clear, but anyhow,
no,
tell me how.
it's not clear in the sense that then you'll have to agree that there are 11 Rudras.
Yes.
They are all different
Mm.
with different powers. And then out of them, I am the best.
Mm.
He later on says, I am the Simha.
Mm.
Will you say that Simha is itself Vishnu?
Yeah, he is the best, right?
Correct only.
Mm.
In the sense that the sense with which you say Shiva is Vishnu,
Mm.
is that the same sense with which you say Simha is Vishnu?
Correct.
That's what I am getting at.
Yeah, that's nice.
So what we are trying to say when we say that Shiva is the same as Vishnu, we are trying to make out there is no distinction at all. Here he is talking from a point of distinction only. He is making a distinction between all of these, comparing them and saying that I am the best among them.
Correct.
Right. So it's a different kind of thing that we are trying to. We are trying to. So when we say Shiva is equal to Vishnu, what we are trying to say is Shivaya Vishnu Rupaya Shivarupaya Vishnave Shivascha Hridayam Vishnu Vishnovascha Hridayam Shivaha Yatha Shivamayo Vishnu Evam Vishnumaya Shivaha Yathantaram Napasyam Tathame Sustirash Iti Sadrusham Vaktum Ichhukaha Evam Uktam Parantu Etat Tatna इति मन्ये तदनन्तरं वदति
No, there we are concerned about Shiva and Vishnu alone because they are prominent deities. If there were two cults which are fighting against each other of Indra and Agni, they would use the same logic, right? So Indra and Agni, if let's say there were two people quarreling about no, Indra is greater, Vishnu, like Agni is greater. So what would they say? They also say what is the basis for saying Shivaya Vishnu Rupaya?
Rishiva. It's I think it's from some Puran.
Yeah. So that's what we have to look at.
See,
and moreover,
Vishnutvam Shive asti, Shivatvam Vishnoः अस्ति इति कारणेन शिवः एव विष्णु इत्युक्ते यत्किञ्चित् भवान् स्वीकृत्य एतत् सर्वं विष्णुत्वम् इति वदति तत् धर्मः साक्षात् शिव इत्यस्यापि अस्ति अतः शिवः विष्णुः यथा how do you say one thing is the same as another thing when their dharmas are set right? We can say that one water is the same as other water because the water has the same temperature, same viscosity, etc. etc.
But are they the same? Shiva is definitely performing different actions than Vishnu.
Yes, not in that sense. The Sadashiva that we talk about, the consciousness, it is the same. That is what we are referring to. We are not referring to the Samhara Karta. And when we say Vishnu, we are also not referring to the Sthiti Karta. Interesting. Okay. Anantaram vadati.
पुरोधसाञ्च मुख्यं माम्
पुरोधसाञ्च मुख्यं माम्
विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिम्
विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिम्
सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः
सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः
सरसामस्मि सागरः
सरसामस्मि सागरः
महर्षि.
And then he is saying पुरोधसां मुख्यं मां विद्धि बृहस्पतिम् know that out of all the Purodhas, Ke Purodhasaha,
Purohitah.
Purohitaha, out of all the Purohitas, I am the best Purohita, that is Bruhaspati. And then
What do you mean
Senanina,
by when you say I am the best? Sorry, I am the Brihaspati. So are you equating the fundamental principle with Brihaspati then?
no,
Exactly. So which means there will still be all these Saguna differences,
yes,
but it is the Paramatma which is the same in all of them,
correct.
but more so expressed in some of them. When you say I'm Krishna, I mean Paramatma is there in all the Purohitas, in all Senari, Nayakas, in the Sagar, etc. But where is it's like the example they give, right? For air is there everywhere, but in a tire it is more functional. There also it is air, outside also it is air. But air is more manifest in its power in the tire, in the tube of a tire. So similarly, that's what I think. Because when he finally says,
The problem is this. The problem with this kind of thinking is now you are saying that Paramatma can like this chetas or chitta or the consciousness.
hmm,
It can be more in one thing
hmm,
and less in another thing.
correct.
But there is no more and less for like the consciousness.
Hmm,
It cannot be quantified.
yeah, yes.
So
Interesting. But the question, the chapter starts off by saying Aham Atma. But if you can't know that, then only you start thinking in Dvaita Bhava in all
the
this.
this is for meditation.
Correct.
He starts out with that only. He is
Hmm.
saying that you meditate upon me. How should I meditate upon you?
Hmm.
Iti Arjuna pruchhati. Arjuna asks, how should I meditate? He is giving so many ways. You can look at anything.
Hmm.
And then because this is a world of Veda,
Hmm.
that always there is a Veda between one thing and the next. Can always consider the best thing
Hmm.
among all of them and know that it is me only.
Hmm.
If you are at least able to see that,
Hmm.
maybe one day you'll also see that I am in everything else as well, not
Hmm.
only in that one thing.
Hmm.
So this is like, from just one, like let's say I am a very, very staunch Vishnu Bhakta and I say that only the Vishnu
Hmm.
in our village,
Hmm.
the Pratima that we have,
Hmm.
is the only Vishnu. Anywhere else I won't believe. Let me say that. Krishna is what is he trying to do? He is telling me, don't think that it is the only place.
Hmm.
Look at other places as well. That
Hmm.
is also me only. You
Hmm.
look at Surya, that is me. You look at
Hmm.
Chandra, that is me. You look at nakshatras, like etc. etc. He is
Hmm.
giving so many examples. Right? The point is this. That is how he is breaking my staunchness.
Hmm.
He's saying that you don't only do dhyana of me in that one particular murti.
Hmm. Because it's equivalent to everything.
So eventually the point is this. This is what I think at least. This is what I think. As you expand and keep on trying to find Vishnu, you will find Vishnu.
Hmm.
Just like how Prahalada says,
Hmm.
when he asks, where is Vishnu? Prahalada says, where is he not?
Hmm.
Right? In Telugu, there is a very, very famous poem. Every kid knows this poem.
Hmm.
Every kid is taught.
Hmm.
Indu galadu, andu ledani,
Hmm.
sandehamu valadu.
Hmm.
Don't have this sandeha. What sandeha? Indu galadu, he
Hmm.
is here.
Hmm.
Andu ledu,
Hmm.
he is not
Not
there.
there. Hmm.
Iti sandehamu valadu.
Hmm.
Chakri sarvopagatum
Hmm.
is everywhere. ఎందెందు వెతకి చూసిన వేరెవర్ యూ ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ హిమ్ అందందే గలడు యూ విల్ ఫైండ్ హిమ్ దేర్ ఓన్లీ
Hmm.
యూ ట్రై టు ఫైండ్ హిమ్ ఇన్ ది మోస్ట్ ముండేన్ థింగ్స్ యూ విల్ ఫైండ్ హిమ్ దేర్
Hmm.
బికాస్ హీ ఈస్ ఎవ్రీవేర్
Yes.
రైట్ క్రోధసాం ముఖ్యం బృహస్పతిం మాం విద్ధి సేనానీనామహం స్కందః అహం షణ్ముఖः సేనానీనాం షణ్ముఖः దేవతానాం
Senani.
సేనాధిపతిः సరసామస్మి సాగరः out of all the ponds I am the sagara the biggest one इति कृतवान् शङ्कराचार्यः किं वदति एतद्विषये पुरोधसाञ्च राजपुरोहितानां मुख्यं प्रधानं मां विद्धि हे पार्थ बृहस्पतिं स हि इन्द्रस्येति मुख्यः स्यात् पुरोधाः सः हि इन्द्रस्येति मुख्यः स्यात् पुरोधाः. So he is because of the fact that he is the Rajapurohita of Indra. सेनानीनां सेनापतीनाम् अहं स्कन्दः देवसेनापतिः अस्मि. तदनन्तरं सरसां यानि देवखातानि वा किं देवखातं
By gods,
oh
by natural forces.
oh
It is not
देवखातानि
tanks, is what he wants to exclude tanks and man-made structures.
सरांसि तेषां सरसां सागरः अहम् अस्मि अहं भवामि इति उक्तवान्. So he is basically saying among the reservoirs dug by God, that is by natural reservoirs. Exactly what you said. How did you guess that?
No, Deva means usually natural. When you say Devam, it's not literally Indra Agni. Devam means like something which happens naturally.
Oh.
Maharshīణāṃ bhruguraham
गिरामस्म्येकमक्षरम्
यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि स्थावराणां हिमालयः.
अस्तु. महर्षीणां भृगुमहर्षिः अस्मि. भृगुमहर्षि out of all the maharshis.
He is known for his anger. The story that you had said, no, he comes. Yes, even the Trimurtis. That is also there, but Bhrigu is the one who goes and tests the three people.
Is it?
And his clan only is known to be very furious. Jamadagni, Purusharama, all these people come in this. Bhargava Gotrama.
Bhargava Chavana Apnavana Urvajate.
Shriyatsa.
Acharya.
Oh.
Astu. So,
Ahamapi.
गिरामस्म्येकमक्षरम् गिराम् अहम् अस्मि एकमक्षरम् ओंकारम् इति. Out of all the vak, giram, out of all the words, I am the ekamaksharam, I am the one letter. What is the one letter? Omkaraha. Purvam uktavad. Yajnanam japa yajñosmi. Out of all the yajñas that one can do, I am the japa yajña. Sthawaranam Himalayah. Out of all the still things, I am the Himalaya. Maharshinam Bhruguh Asmi. Giram Vacham Padalakshananam. Out of the things that have the lakshana of being a pada. Ekam Aksharam Omkaraha Asmi. Yajnanam Japayajnaha. Sthawaranam Sthitimatam Himalayah. I am the Himalaya. Then he is continuing.
Ashvathah sarva vrikṣāṇāṃ. Devarshīṇāṃ ca Nāradaḥ. Gandharvāṇāṃ citrarathah. Siddhānaṃ kapilo munihi.
Ashvatha Vrikshaha. Sarva Vrikshanam. Out of all the Vrikshas, I am the Ashvatha. Devarshinam aham Naradaha. So, see, this is what. When you made that comment, now will you also say that Narada is also.
Yeah, of course. Vishnu? You have said everything is God. There is no surprise in saying Vishnu is equal to Narada.
That's what. It's not the Sthiti Karta. Different thing.
Functionally, yes. But by substance, it is the same. That when we say Shiva is equal to Vishnu, we also, of course, we recognize that they have different functions, different rupas and charitras. In what sense we say they are the same is that they are in essence the same. But what the Vaishnava says, no, it's not even in essence are the same. Vishnu is the one who is permeating Shankara and Shiva. Vishnu alone, that is the Sthitikarta alone, is the permeator of all everything, is what their argument is. They don't buy this argument of.
But why won't they in the Namakam, in the end. What do we say? After Mrityave Swaha, Mrityave Swaha.
Namo Rudraya Vishnave Mrityurme Pahi.
Namo Rudraya Vishnave Mrityurme Pahi. भवान् रुद्रः भवान् विष्णुश्च विष्णुः इत्युक्ते यस्य विष्णुत्वम् अस्ति यः विभुः अस्ति सः विष्णुः एवं खलु the one who has pervaded all the spirits is Vishnu. रुद्रः अपि सादृशः एव वेदवाक्येव वदति इदानीं किं चर्चा तर्हि
No, the point is they say, oh, then in fact, there is so much more evidence to corroborate that. In the Sahasra Shirsha, the Vishnu Sukta, the Narayana Sukta also, it finds Sabrahma Saharis Shiva Sendraha. He is Brahma, he is Shiva, he is Hari.
That's what.
But they will not agree to it. They even omit that entire word.
Point is that there is something beyond all the different Sthitikarta, Prabhavakarta and Layakarta.
Exactly.
The one that is beyond that. That is exactly what he also says. Like, aham that avyakta.
Correct.
Yad avyaktam asi tad aham. Ajnanajam avyaktam na.
Nirguna gunaditam avyaktam.
इति वदति तदनन्तरं देवर्षीणां नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः इति एकः गन्धर्वः सः अहमस्मि सः नायकः वा गन्धर्वाणां
चित्ररथ एषः exactly he once bound Duryodhana did some mischief. The Gandharvas were playing in a pond. They were having some sex. This Duryodhana comes and interrupts it. The Gandharvas get so angry, they actually bound the entire Duryodhana Sena, the Kuru Sena. And then it is Yudhishthira alone who are there in the Vanavasa. That time they take pity at Duryodhana and ask Arjuna, who has connections with the Gandharvas, to ask them to release him. So it's the story I've heard. I am not sure if it is true.
It is given here. This Gandharva, he fought with Arjuna, defeated Arjuna. Then after defeating Arjuna, he became friends with Arjuna, this Chitraratha. And then he gave many mantras and gave him divine horses that are never tired, tireless horses. Moreover, he is known to be Angaraparna, I don't know, son of Kashyapa. Tidattam. Astu, we'll continue. Siddhanam Kapilaha asmi. Kapilaha eva khalu Sankhya. So he is the one who started Sankhya philosophy. Siddhanam aham Kapila Munihi.
No wonder, because Krishna has learnt from Sandipani, who was said to be a descendant of Kapila. So, in fact, even in the Bhagavad Gita, it's very evident. He always talks about Prakriti Purusha. That is a very Sankhya idea. In fact, Shankaracharya, they say, of course, I have not verified it myself, but they say Shankaracharya's main powerful opponent during his time were the Sankhyas.
Correct.
So, in the Brahma Sutra Bhashya, he is very. So, they stop at 2. His task is to prove, no, it's not 2, it's 1. So, that's a very hard thing to do.
So, actually, this is what they give is Prathama Malla Nyaya. That is what it is.
Yeah, exactly.
So, to become the world champion, you don't need to win over every single guy who is doing Malla Yuddha. You need to defeat the one who is currently reigning as the world champion. So, because Sankhya philosophy was the reigning champion, he had to defeat that in order to say Advaita is what the Brahma Sutras are referring to. Ashwatthah.
No, Brahma Sutras are themselves Advaitic.
That's what. You had to prove that. It's already evident.
People say the Sankhya, no, there are sutras in the Brahma Sutra itself which are openly attacking Sankhya. So after 6 darshanas, right, the Sankhya darshana is a separate one. So by the time of Vedavyasa itself, the Sankhya had already concretized. So he in his bhashyas are using arguments against the Sankhyas.
Right. Correct. देवर्षीणां च नारदः देवाः एव सन्तः ऋषित्वं प्राप्ताः देवाः एव सन्तः ऋषित्वं प्राप्ताः मन्त्रदर्शित्वात् त्वात्ते देवर्षयः. So he's basically defining what exactly a devarshi is. He's saying that being a deva, you get rishitvam, you become a rishi in the sense that you are able to see mantras. You are able to do darshan of mantras. Hence you are a rishi. Tadrusha devarshinam naradaha. Out of all such devarshis, aham narada. Who are the other devarshis? The Sanaka Sanandana.
Oh yeah, correct.
They are the devarshis.
Yes, yes, correct.
Who else? Mm.
I don't think Sanaka Sanandana also were Devarshis as such.
They are
They were
Brahma
born
Manas.
as human.
They were
And then
Brahma
they
Manasa
became
Putras.
yeah. Oh yeah.
But they were even before all the Prajapatis came. There are no humans at that time.
Oh yeah, correct.
गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः नाम गन्धर्वः अस्मि सिद्धानां जन्मनैव जन्मनैव धर्मज्ञानवैराग्यैश्वर्यातिशयम् ओहो प्राप्तानां सिद्धानां कपिलः मुनिः अस्मि. Out of all those who have got dharma, jnana, vairagya, out of all such great siddhas, I am Kapila Maharshi. And then
उच्चैश्रवसम् अश्वानाम्
उच्चैश्रवसमश्वानां
विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम्
विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम्
ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणाम्
ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां
नराधिपम्
नराणां च नराधिपम् उच्चैश्रवसम् Ashwanam. Out of all the Ashwas, I am the Uchchaishrava, the horse of Indra. Vidhi, know that. Mam, Mam Vidhi, know me. Amruted Bhavam, anything that has been come out of Amrita. What is Uchchaishrava? Oh, the other example is Airavatam. Airavatam Gajendranam. Out of all the elephants, I am the Airavata, the elephant of Indra. Naranam Naradhipaha. Out of all the humans, I am the king. Tadanattaram vastati.
आयुधानामहं वज्रम्
आयुधानामहं वज्रम्
धेनूनाम् अस्मि कामधुक्
धेनूनामस्मि कामधुक्
प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्पः
प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्पः
सर्पाणाम् अस्मि वासुकिः
सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः आयुधानां वज्रायुधमस्मि. Out of all the ayudhas, I am Vajrayudha. Dhenunam asmi kamadhenu. Out of all the cows, I am the kamadhenu. Prajanaschasmi kandarpaha. Prajanaha. इत्युक्ते किम्?
The Prajapati, the one who creates.
प्रजनः प्रजापतीनां कन्दर्पः इति नाम प्रजापतिः अहमस्मि. सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः. Out of all the sarpas, I am the Vasuki, the king of all Nagaloka, king of the Nagaloka, right? Vasuki.
The king of Naga, correct. Actually, Ananta is not. Yeah, it is Vasuki who is the king of Nagas.
Ayudhanam aham vajram adhichyathis dadhichyaस्थि sambhavam. The Vajrayudha that is made out of the asthis, the bones of Dadhichi Maharshi. Dhenunam dogdhinam, out of all the dhenus, out of all the cows, aham asmi kim kamadhenu. Vasishthasya sarvakamanam dogdhri. Vasishthasya kamadhenu. Samanya va kamadhuk. Prajanaha prajanayita अस्मि कन्दर्पः नाम. सो कन्दर्पः नाम प्रजनयिता.
अत्र काम इति इंटरप्रेट्स् एस् काम. Prajanah Kamaha. I am the Kama, the god Kama, who creates. Prajanah.
कन्दर्पः कन्दर्पः इत्युक्ते कामः वा?
इति सः वदति.
ओ सर्पाणां सर्वभोगानां
सर्पभेदानां
सर्पभेदानाम् अस्मि वासुकिः सर्पराजः। तदनन्तरं वदति
अनन्तश्चास्मि नागानाम्
अनन्तश्चास्मि नागानां
वरुणो यादसामहम्
वरुणो यादसामहं
पितॄणामर्यमा चास्मि
पितॄणाम्
अर्यमा चास्मि
आर्यमा चास्मि
यमः संयमतामहम्
यमः संयमतामहम्। ओ अनन्तः नागानाम् अनन्तः यत्र अहं शेमि
श्रेये.
शये the place where I sleep the
I know. I never sleep. The consciousness never sleeps.
Vishnu वरुणः यादसामहं वरुणः यादसां what is यादसां?
I think it is water. Yadasa.
एवं वा अस्तु पितॄणाम् आर्यमन् आर्यमन् इति पितॄणां मुख्यः इति मन्ये।
मुख्यः आसीत्. अर्यमा इति वेदेषु सूर्यस्यापि नाम अस्ति. अर्थात् तेषु द्वादशेषु द्वादश
आर्यमा
आदित्य
तत्तु अस्ति
अर्यम्णे नमः भानवे नमः.
परन्तु अत्र पितॄणाम् इत्युक्तं
सत्यं.
यमः संयमतामहम् येषां संयमः आसीत् तेषां सर्वाणाम् अहं यमः। संयमता इत्युक्ते किम्?
एक्सिक्यूशनर्.
संयमता
संयमत् इति. संयमत् इति सः शब्दः. Those who samyama here refers to doing the samyama of pranas, which means to grab the pranas away. So samyama is that. So samyamat were the executioners. So out of all the executioners, I am Yama, the greatest executioner.
एवम् अनन्ताश्च अस्मि नागानां नागविशेषाणां नागराजश्च अस्मि.
Oh, I think it's like King Cobra and
Sarpa versus Naga.
Yeah, exactly.
Sarpa is different, again Naga is different. Okay.
Naga has that this one hood which has a U shape mark. The Sarpas usually don't have. The King Cobra doesn't have the U shape. It's the Indian serpent. It's called Naga Naga. The very biological name is Naja Naja. Naja Naja. So that is the Nagas. But the Sarpas are usually like a broader classification of all snakes.
वरुणः यादसाम् अहम् abdevataनां raja aham. Out of all the devatas, sorry, abdevatas, the devatas of water, I am Varuna. And then pitrunam aryama nama pitruraja rajascha asmi. The king of all pitrus is aryama, saha aham asmi. Yamaha samyamatam samyamanam kurvatam aham. Samyamanam kurvatam aham.
You can look at the
yes. Out of all the maintainers of the law, Samyama.
Sorry, I was mistaken.
Samyama is to maintain law, right? Samyamati.
Is it? But how is Yama maintaining law?
He is maintaining the law of nature. So actually, he is called Dharmaraja. He is the king of Dharma itself, right? Okay. He is maintaining all laws.
Prahlad. Yeah, sorry. No, please continue.
What? Only.
No, this one. You were saying the sentence.
Continue. Yeah. Next sloka.
Prahladaschasmi daityanam.
Prahladaschasmi daityanam.
Kalah kalayatamaham.
Kalah kalayatamaham.
Mriganancha mrigendroham.
मृगाणाञ्च मृगेन्द्रोऽहम्
वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणाम्
वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणाम् वैनतेयः इत्युक्ते गरुडः अहं गरुडः पक्षिणाम् out of all the birds I am वैनतेय which is Garuda. मृगेन्द्रोऽहम् मृगाणाम् I am the lion out of all the Mrugas. And then Kalaha Kalayatamaham. Aham न जाना.
कलयति
Out of
इत्युक्ते
all the Daityas, I am the Prahlada. Out of all the Rakshasas, I am Prahlada. Then he is saying, oh, Daitya ityukte, we should not make it Rakshasa. We should say the sons of Diti. I am Prahlada. And then Kalayata. What is Kala?
कलयत् कलयति इति अहं न जानामि अहम् ऊहे यत् कलयति is to flow, so it could be that I am time which
Nadi.
flows.
Oh, out of all the Nadis.
No, that is different. Here flow as in like move. कलयति अनेके अर्थाः सन्ति कल इति धातोः विक्षेप काल गति चिंतन and so on and so forth. So it has many. I don't know in which meaning he has taken it.
Oh, we'll see.
प्रह्लादो नाम च
प्रह्लादो नाम च अस्मि दैत्यानां द्वितीयवंशया
न एवं संस्कृते तत् interchanging of her and the next one happens only if it is the anunasika vyanjana. Sna, ma, na becomes brahmana, brahmana, vanhi.
Vahni.
What becomes vanhi?
Becomes vanhi.
But this
that becomes juha.
Yeah. Oh, no, that is jihva only.
Jihva only.
Because there is no anunasika vyanjana there. So I think that is what the rule is. Let's look it up. Let's look it up.
My Guruji taught me juha. Okay. Might be some difference. We'll see. What is it? What is the rule?
Ha and na in Vahni. Samskrita grammar. This is very famous, infamous rather. Purvahana.
Other instances of vanhi.
It's optional.
Maybe in Vedas not optional, but in normal usage they are saying that it might be optional.
I'll send that resource to you.
So we'll get back.
प्रह्लादश्च अस्मि दैत्यानां
प्रह्लादः नाम च अस्मि दैत्यानां द्वितीयवंशानां कालः कलयताम् गणनं कुर्वताम् अहं कालः. Out of the ones who are doing ganana, I am kala. मृगाणाम् अस्मि मृगेन्द्रः. This is all clear. तदनन्तरं वदति
पवनः पवतामस्मि
रामशस्त्रभृतामहं
झषाणां मकरश्चास्मि स्रोतसाम् अस्मि जाह्नवी
स्रोतसामः अस्मि जाह्नवी. एवमेव वदति. जाह्नवी इत्युक्ते गङ्गानदी. जह्नुमहर्षेः कर्णात् आगतवती इति कारणेन जाह्नवी. गङ्गानदी. स्रोतसाम्. किं स्रोतसाम्? सरति इति वा?
श्रुवति means to just flow.
सरति इत्युक्ते अपि तदेव खलु.
तदेव अस्ति किन्तु स्रोतस् सरस् interchangeably used, but usually saras is pond, srotas is nadi. Srotas has more movement somewhat, you can think. Srotas. Sruvati.
Out of all the things that flow, I am Ganga. Out of all the nadis, I am Ganga Nadi. Jhashanam Makaraha, I am the crocodile. Out of all the water beings, water living beings, or is he referring to the things that live on land and water?
Oh, could be. Jasha is usually fishes.
Fish.
Means like aquatic creatures.
तर्हि सम्यक्. रामः शस्त्रभृतामस्मि. अहं श्रीरामः दशरथात्मजः अस्मि. Out of all the people who carry weapons, I am Rama. Pavanah pavatamasmi.
There's a difference of opinion though. People think it is Parashurama.
Parashurama could be fine. Both are same
Same.
only, na? Why are you doing difference between the Vishnu's avatars only?
I didn't do. Valmiki did it.
Valmiki did not do it. He was just stating facts.
There is an encounter between Rama and Parashurama.
Yatha bhutam tathoktam.
No, but if then it means that existentially also they are different then, no?
So what?
No, you said Vedan Maguru. I did. There is a Veda.
What? He later says, I am Arjuna out of all people.
Correct.
And then what?
I am Vishnu Krishna.
Pavanaha pavatam asmi. Kim pavatam?
Which purifies.
Oh. Pavanaha ityukte vayuh khalu.
Which blows away, yeah.
Oh. Pavatam asmi. Pavanaha. Evam. Pavanaha vayuh pavatam. Pavayitronam asmi. Pavayitronam. Okay, out of all the things that can purify us, I am the air. Ramaha shastrabhutam. Aham shastranam. Dharayitronam. Dasharathihi Ramaha. Dasharathihi Ramaha aham. Wow. Even like,
Shankara.
as you're reading Ramayana, re. Jhashanam mastyadinam makaraha. Mastyaha ityukte mastyaha. Mastyadinam aham makaraha. Out of tortoise, etc. I am crocodile. Namaha jati visheshaha aham. Astu. Srotasam Shravantinam, the things that flow, aham Janhavi Ganga asmi.
Sarganaamadirantashcha.
Sarganaamadirantashcha.
Madhyanchaivahamarjuna.
Madhyanchaivahamarjuna.
Adhyatma vidya vidyanam.
Vadah
Vadah
pravadatamaham. Oho. Vidyanam sarvanam aham adhyatma vidya asmi. I am the divine. What is it called? Spiritual knowledge. Out of all the knowledge.
The knowledge of myself. Adhyatma.
Adhyatma. Adhyatma vidya. To know oneself. That kind of knowledge.
Spiritual knowledge, yeah.
Out of all the wisdoms, I am that kind of wisdom. Then, Vadaha pravadatamaham. Vadaha. Out of all the Vadas, there is Pravada.
Pravadatam Vadaha. Out of all that which is articulated, I am the logical argument.
Oh,
Pravadatam Vadaha.
Oh, out of all the logical, out of all the argument can be talked about. Out of them, I am the logical arguments. Vadaha. Adbhutam.
I am the best, like how you were saying maths, no? The best, most mathematical, logical sequence of arguments. Deductive reasoning.
Nice. Sarganam Adirantascha Madhyanchaiva Aham Arjuna. Sarganam. Sarga. Sarga ityukte Shrishti. So of the Srishti, out of all the Srishtis, for all the Srishtis, I am the start, middle and the end. Hey Arjuna. Ityuktava. Bahulikitavan. Virananda Swami. Hey Swami. We will see. Sarganam Srishtinam Adihi Antascha Madhyanchaiva Aham Utpatti Sthiti Layaha Aham Arjuna Bhutanam Jivadhishthitanaam eva Adehe Jivadhishthitanaam eva Adehe Antascha इत्या
Yuktam.
इत्याद्युक्तम् उपक्रमे. So he already said, right? Jivanam, for the living beings I am the start, middle and the end. Not only for the living beings, for every planet, for everything that has been created. इह तु सर्वस्यैव सर्गमात्रस्य इति विशेषः. सर्वस्यैव सर्गमात्रस्य इति विशेषः.
तत्र भूतानाम् आदिमन्त्य अन्त्यम् इति उक्तम्.
Here.
But here, what is Vishesha? That he is now saying, like you said, every Sarvavyapi. Not just all bhutas, but all lokas, everything. All Srishti itself is, I am the
Adi Madhya and Anta. Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam. Moksharthatvat Pradhanamasmi. So, Adhyatma Vidya, why is it the greatest? Because of the fact that it causes moksha. Vadaha Artha Nirnaya Hetutvat Pravadaha Pradhanam. So, Pravadatam Pradhanam. Out of all the vak, ayam Vadaha Kidrusham Artha Nirnaya Hetutvam. Hetutvat. Because of the fact that this Vada has Artha Nirnaya Hetutvat. In order to understand what is being said, what is the Artha. Ataha Saha Ahamasmi. Saha eva Ahamasmi. Ataha hence Saha Ahamasmi. Avakridvarena. What's it? Pravakridvarena Vadana Bhedanameva Vada Jalpa Vitandanam Iha Grahana Pravadatam iti. So he is particularly explaining what the other kinds of vadas are. There are the Jalpa, Vitanda, etc. So out of all of them, I am particularly Vada. Diva.
Sadhu.
Why is this so long? What did Gambhiranda Swami write? Read.
Arjuna Sarganam. Hey, oh Arjuna, Sarganam of creations I am the Adi, the beginning. Cha, and he Antaha, the end.
We understood all of this now from here. Here.
By the word Pravadatam are here meant the different kinds of date held by daters. Vada, Jalpa, and Vitanda. Vada. What is Vada? Discussion with open-mindedness, which is what we have. With a view to determining the true purport. Exactly what we do. You are doing good. Jalpa. Pointless debate. They should have been debate. They have put date. Vitanda. Wrangling discussion. Jalpa is that mode of debate by which both parties establish their own viewpoint through direct and indirect proofs and refute the viewpoint of the others through circumvention and false generalization, and by pointing out the unfitness of the opponent to be argued with. But this is exactly what many other philosophies do. They'll attack the opponent. They'll not even attack the philosophy. They'll attack the opponent itself. They'll just call him slur names.
Murkha.
So exactly, and then false generalizations. Oh, Shankaracharya has praised Vishnu here, therefore he is definitely a Vishnu. False generalization. Circumvention, escaping a certain argument which is against them, circumventing it. So
Mandukaplati iti uchyate. Mandukaplati iti uchyate.
Mandukaplati.
Like you jump from one point to another point, skipping the point that is being discussed.
But where one party establishes his viewpoint and the other refutes it through circumvention, false generalization, showing the unfitness of the opponent to be argued with, without establishing his own views, that is termed Vitanda. There is no point at all that he is standing for. Right. It's just he is just being cynical.
He is cynical.
Yeah, everything you say, I'll cut it down with logic.
Right.
So Jalpa and Vitanda result only in trial of strength between the opponents who are both desirous of victory. So the result of Vada is ascertainment of truth between the teacher and the disciple, between others, or both unbiased. Nice.
Adbhutam.
Atyantam. अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि
अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि
द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च
द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च
अहमेवाक्षयः कालः
अहमेवाक्षयः कालः
धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः
धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः Aksharanam akaraha. Out of all the aksharas, a, e, u, ru, etc., I am akara, the first one. Dvandvaha. Dvandvaha. Samasikasya cha.
सामासिकस्य सामासिक is samasa.
In samasa. Dvandva is what?
The ubhaya pradhana. For example, Rama Lakshmanau, Sita Ramau, Mata Pitarau. Those are called as Dvandva Samasa.
Oh, out of all the samasas, I am Dvandva samasa. Oh. Tadanantaram vadati.
It's interesting, why? Because people say that this Dvandva is like Ubhaya pada pradhana. It gives both equal weight to both the pada, Uttara and Purva pada. So in that sense, Paramatma gives equal weight to both good and bad. Dvandva, Sukha Dukkha.
सर्वद्वन्द्व अहमेव द्वन्द्वः इति वदति यत्र कुत्रापि भवान् द्वन्द्वं पश्यति तत्र अहमस्मि इति इस् बेसिकली पॉइंटिंग आउट दैट अहमेव आश्रयः कालो अक्षयः कालः धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः अहमेव अक्षयः कालः I am that undying or undecaying time कालः इत्युक्ते कः शिवः तदनन्तरं धाताहं विश्वतो मुखम्
अहं ब्रह्म
ब्रह्मा
विश्वतो मुखः विष्णु एवरीथिंग इज
धाता इत्युक्ते ब्रह्म ओ अक्षराणां वर्णानाम् अकारः वर्णः अस्मि द्वन्द्वः समासः अस्मि समासिकस्य च समाससमूहस्य out of all the samasas I am the Dvandva samasa kincha moreover ahameva kshayaha akshinaha kalaha the infinite time prasiddhaha kshanadyakhyaha the thing that is being counted using kshana minutes and seconds etc thava parameshwaraha
exactly
kalasyapi kalaha asmi Parameshwarah kalasya api kalaha asmi. I am the end of the end itself. Kala itself is the end. Kala kalaha iti. Kala kalaha. Tadanantaram dhataham karma phalasya vidhata iti dhata. Purvamaagatam.
We had discussion on this.
Sarva jagataha vishwato mukhaha sarvato mukhaha ahameva. I am the one who you can see everywhere. I am the one who is giving the karma phalas. The dispenser of fruits of actions of the whole world. Vishwatomukham. That faces everywhere.
मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम्
मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम्
उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम्
उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम्
कीर्तिः श्रीर्वाक्च नारीणाम्
कीर्तिश्रीर्वाक्च नारीणाम्
स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिः क्षमा
स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिक्षमा धृतिक्षमा
विसर्गस्य परे क्ष अस्ति चेत् पूर्ण उच्चारणम् नमः क्षत्रिभ्यः संग्रहीतृभ्यः
धृतिः क्षमा मृत्युः सर्वहरः च अहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् मृत्युः सर्वहरः च अहम् I am Mrityu, the death. Sarvaharaha, the one who is doing the Raya, I think. Sarvaharaha cha aham. Udbhavascha bhavishyata. I am also the progenitor of the Bhavishyat Kala. So, Kirtihi Shrir Vakcha Narinam Kirtihi Shri Vak Narinam Kirtihi Shrihi Vak. There are three,
More. Smritihi, Medha, Dhrutihi, Kshama.
Smritihi, Medha, Dhrutihi, Kshama. So out of all the women, I am Kirti, Shri. Oh, or I think it is all
Feminine.
the Strilinga padas, or all the feminine things. Kirtihi, Yashas. Kim Kirtihi? Glory.
Glory.
Shrihi. Shrihi ityukte wealth.
Wealth.
Vak. Speech. Smritihi. Smritihi ityukte
Memory.
memory. Medha. Medha ityukte
Intelligence.
intelligence. Dhrutihi.
Will.
Speed.
Will.
Will.
Will. Tattu Dhrutihi.
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 Dhrutihi. Kshama. Oh, the most important. Yes.
मुक्तिमिच्छसि चेत् तात विषयान् विषवत्यज क्षमा आर्जव दयातोष सत्यं पीयूषवभ्यज.
Ashtavakraha. So death, which is of two kinds, one destroying wealth, another destroying life. Here, amongst them, that which destroys life is called Sarvaharaha, the destroyer of all. I am that. That is the meaning. Or the Supreme God is all destroyer because he destroys everything during dissolution. I am he. I am Udbhavaha, prosperity, eminence, and the means to it. Of whom? Bhavishyatam, of those destined to be prosperous. That is, those who are fit for attaining eminence. So I am their prosperity. Oh, that is how he is explaining this.
Seems a little stretched.
It's not given here, is it? Is it like, did we read this? No, we didn't read it. Ayo. Mrityuhu dvividha dhanadiharaha pranaharascha yatra yaha तत्र यः प्राणहरः सः सर्वहरः उच्यते सः अहम् इत्यर्थः अथवा परः ईश्वरः प्रलये सर्वहरणात् सर्वहरः because of the fact that that's exactly what we read just now सः अहम् उद्भवः उत्कर्षः अभ्युदयः उद्भवः उत्कर्षः अभ्युदयः तत् प्राप्तिहेतुश्च उद्भवः उत्कर्षः इति दत्तम् अभ्युदयः प्रास्पेरिटी तत् प्राप्तिहेतुश्च अहं केषां भविष्यताम् भविष्यत्कल्याणानां out of all the prosperous things that will happen later I am their prosperity उत्कर्ष प्राप्ति योग्यानाम इत्यर्थः out of those who are deemed to be prosperous कीर्तिः श्रीः वाक् च नारीणां स्मृतिः मेधा धृतिः क्षमा इत्येताः उत्तमाः स्त्रीणाम् अहम् अस्मि यासाम् आभासमात्रसम्बन्धेनापि लोकः कृतार्थमात्मानं manyate. By obtaining even one of these, people think that they are kritakrityas. Kirti, Shri, Vak, Smriti, Medha, Dhruti. So fitting nicely. Wonderful. Given a trace of these, one considers himself successful. So, we'll stop here. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Samyak Krutamadhya. Samarpanam Kuru. कायेन वाचा
मनस्सेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकटे स्वभावात् लोकमेद्यत् सकलं तस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि नमस्व पुरुषोत्तम
धर्मं श्री परमेश्वर